Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Shop Vac that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Armor All AA 255 Wet, Dry Shop Vacuum. We were highly satisfied with the performance of this small unit. It is powerful, but still lightweight at under 8 pounds, and gives you a consistent performance. It does particularly well with the fine dust and debris that you may need to pick up, but you may benefit from a filter upgrade if you need to pick up soot or sawdust on a regular basis. For homes with hardwood floors or shops with concrete surfaces, this vacuum will overperform. The accessories give you the reach that you need to take care of an entire room, assuming you place the vacuum tank in the center of your working space. This Shop Vac comes with a powerful 2-peak HP motor with a 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank. This electric-powered Shop Vac comes with a 10-feet-long power cord, and this gives you some sort of freedom while cleaning. It also comes with a cord wrap to help you organize the power cord when not in use. It is lightweight, portable, and very easy to use. This Shop Vac has multi-use cleaning capabilities, as you can use it for dry and wet pickups. You can also convert it to a blower easily for drying car grills, wheels, and motorcycles. It comes with a deluxe car nozzle that is designed to get into tight corners. The detail brush of this Shop Vac is ideal for vents, dashboards, electronic components, and more. Moving on at number 4, we have the Shop Vac 1.5-gallon 2.0 peak wet-dry vacuum. The size of the tank on this vacuum limits its ability to function as a primary vacuum. It can do a good job in a small shop or for portable applications, like vacuuming the rugs in a vehicle. If you were trying to clean a garage or a home with this vacuum, however, it would take a lot of time due to the lack of reach in the reduced size of the tank. The exhaust on this model is also noticeably strong. You have to be careful about where you place the tank when working, especially if you are just starting to clean up a mess. We created a massive dust storm on our first attempt. Besides those few drawbacks, this machine does a great job of keeping your workshop, vehicle, garage, or home clean. It comes with a 2-peak HP motor, and this unit also converts into a powerful blower. The filters and accessories included in this package are a 4-free hose, gulper nozzle, crevice tool, tool holder, wall mount bracket for vac, foam sleeve, and reusable disc filter with a ring. At number 3, we have the Karcher WD-5P multi-purpose 6.6-gallon wet-dry vacuum cleaner. This is the shop vacuum that can replace multiple tools. It allows you to work faster, achieve a better clean, and do so consistently. Included with the accessories is a standard floor nozzle that does a good job of picking up dust and fur without clogging, despite the presence of a pleated filter and fleece bag. It offers auto start and auto stop features as well, giving you a hands-free user experience when you need it the most. The blower function is practical, but not the top feature of this model. It is a bit of an investment, but one that will pay you back over time. The package of this unit includes a hose, crevice tool, extension wand, hand grip nozzle, pleated filter, standard floor nozzle, and fleece bag. It comes with a semi-auto filter cleaning system that provides an easy and quick way to clean the filter. This feature makes the filter cleaning process mess-free while extending the lifespan of the machine. The inbuilt blower of this Shop Vac quickly moves debris and dirt from tight and awkward spaces. This Shop Vac comes with a powerful 1,800-watt motor that delivers superior airflow. The length of the hose is 7.2 feet and it has a smooth interior to prevent clogs. The size of this tank is pretty large, at 6.6 gallons. It weighs 18.75 pounds and it comes with a 2-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Rigid VAC 1200 Heavy-Duty Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. This was the design we came to prefer when it came to cleaning up a liquid mess. The drain on the bottom is the right size to encourage full fluid evacuation, leaving you to just clean up the tank with a dry rag afterward. The hose is appropriately flexible and does not clog easily. As for the tank, it may be 12 gallons, but it is also wide and compact, taking up a small space footprint. This made it a lot easier to take it to various spots to clean up messes. A 15-pound mess could be removed in under 30 seconds. Give it a try and we think you will be pleased as well. This Shop Vac also doubles as a high-performance detachable leaf blower. It is portable, and very easy to use and maneuver, thanks to its side carry handle and compact drum size. The filter of this unit is very easy to change, thanks to its patented quick lock filter. With this feature, you do not need additional tools to change the filter. It comes with a highly durable professional-grade hose that measures 1 to 7/8 of an inch in diameter and 8 feet in length. It is a professional lock hose and it will not pull loose when in use. It handles large jobs, yet stores and transport conveniently. The package includes an 8-foot locking pro hose, quick lock filter, utility nozzle, car, blower nozzle, and 2 extension wands. This whole unit is powered by a 5-peak horsepower motor, and it is highly durable and efficient. And finally at number 1, we have the VacMaster VF 408 4-gallon, 2-stage industrial wet, dry floor vacuum. If your cleanup needs are large, then you need a vacuum that can handle the toughest of jobs. That is what this 5-peak HP vacuum will be able to do for you. It cleans all floors, including carpets, with ease. The design includes a HEPA-rated cartridge filter and the dust collection bag does not make a huge mess during cleanup. The hose fits securely, so with the 18-foot power cord, you have up to 25 feet of total reach. Do not miss out on this value purchase. This unit features very quiet operation and a 2-stage motor for powerful suction. If you are looking for the best wet, dry vac that will give you enough freedom while cleaning, then this is a great option, as it comes with an 18-foot long power cord. It also features an automatic cord rewind system, and this helps to keep the power cord well organized. The package of this unit includes a 7 feet 1.25-inch hose, 3 extension wands, round dust brush, crevice tool, 2-in-1 utility nozzle, brush, foam wet filter, washable cartridge filter, and a tool caddy. With the wet, dry pickup feature of this machine, you can tackle any job in your woodworking workshop down to your home. It features a lightweight construction and a top handle design that makes it very easy to transport. Rolling it around is also very easy, thanks to its durable and effective wheels. The size of the tank is 4-gallon. Although this is not the largest, it still comes in pretty handy. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.